Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am showing you a quick little flip through of my December daily for 2023. This is just at the start of December, and I am showing you exactly what my book looks like and where I'll be decorating in for the month. If you don't know what a December daily is, each day I document the day with pictures and journaling. So this is yet to be decorated, but the base of it is together. This was a little note to myself. This is a Vicki Boutin class. At this time in the video for putting this album together, there's a walkthrough that will help me see the order and the decorations that she had planned for it, but just going to give you a quick little look at all of the different pages that have been created with Vicki's class. This is her Peppermint Kisses collection, and she has done an amazing job again with putting together an album with lots of places for photos. So this is an example of what the album looks like before any of the special touches are added. It's just where the pictures will be put in the album, and you can see it before, and then I'll do another walkthrough at the end when it's all completed, and you can see the after. Now, what I usually do is I take notes on my iPhone, and I just take pictures every day. Then I print out all of the pictures, and then I start putting it all together. And I feel free to move up the order of pages. If I find that I have a day that's particularly photograph heavy, I will use that photo page for the day. I don't stick to this specific order for the actual final album. I just use the pages as necessary depending on how many pictures I have for each day. But there's lots of opportunities for pages that are heavy with photos, and then ones that are light with photos. And I can always add in more products as well. I have a lot left over, so I can put together my own pages if I require more space. But usually once I start adding everything, all of my ephemera and embellishments and photos and journaling, it really is quite a full album. And I might not have extra space to accommodate the width of the album. So you can see Vicki's classes always give you a lot of space for your scrapbooks. And I've really enjoyed the class that I did with her last time, and I have a finished walkthrough of that album on my channel under December Daily as well. So just so many spaces for photos, all kinds of different materials that make a really interesting album. Some are pockets, some are flaps, some are little spaces where you just add a photo into a pre-done like plastic pocket. There's pockets up here, and then there's like that, and then there's pockets down there. This is a really cute Santa Claus. So some of these are just blank, and then I can design them as I'm putting the album together based off of what it is that I'm doing that day, which is nice if we're like baking cookies or decorating the Christmas tree. It can be very personalized to my specific memories. And that is what the album looks like there. That's everything. If you want to see an unboxing video of this and everything that came in it, she doesn't just do these mini albums with her classes. She also does scrapbook pages in a 12 by 12 format, as well as Christmas cards. And I always come for the album every time, and I often don't do the other classes. Even with that, I find it an amazing value, and I'm so grateful to be able to have my base done for this year and ready to be decorated in as we start off our December. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.